Hey everyone, it's Ryan with Stock Investing and Trading 101. Today is Friday and we're going to be closing out the week talking about some of our trades that we're ending the week with, as well as how we're preparing for next week as well as the second half of the year. So today, like I mentioned yesterday, I suspected that the next move in the markets, I said that the next 1% move would probably be down before we would continue to go higher or possibly go lower. So we're kind of having the move that I expected today. NASDAQ down nearly 2%, S&P down just over 1%. We had a lot of economic data that came out today, and none of it was too terribly bad. We had Elon Musk saying that they're going to have to cut about 10% of the workforce, as well as Apple warning that they may possibly not be making their numbers. So, which is, I think, some of the biggest news of the day. Other than that, I'm still holding the majority of my core positions. I had a decent amount of hedge positions. I had some volatility options as well as ETFs. I also had some short NASDAQ funds. At this point, I've closed some of my hedges. I'm still holding a significant amount of VIX calls on my Thinkorswim account, which is pretty much hedging this $27,000 portfolio as well as my other long portfolio. So I'm still somewhat bullish. We still have made a significant move in the down direction. Looking at this 1-year chart, prices are still relatively cheap. However, we could have another leg down, or possibly, at least one leg down. So I want to be prepared for that. I've nearly reduced all of my leverage. My portfolios are no longer leveraged, which is taking a significant amount of risk off of the table. I'm mainly invested in the indices, S&P 500, NASDAQ, mega cap tech. We have Google, Facebook, Adobe, Microsoft. I trimmed some of my Amazon position yesterday at 2,500. Amazon has made a move from 2,000 all the way back up to 2,500, which is a pretty big move in Amazon, about a 20 or 25% move. So with that, I trimmed yesterday at 2,500. Today it looks like it's at about 2,460. So theoretically, if I wanted to, I could buy back into this position today, and I'd have a better cost than I did yesterday. But I'm not ready to buy Amazon quite yet. I'm going to wait for a little bit. Other than that, I'm still holding my core positions. I'm waiting kind of for this volatility to pass. During this period of time, I'm hedging my position, lowering my risk. I'm dollar cost averaging whenever prices are at a level that I'm willing to buy. But at this point, with that being said, I'm not really investing a whole lot of new money into the markets. I still have a lot of money that I haven't, cash on the sidelines that I haven't invested in my portfolio. So, but if markets do make a new low, that's probably the time when I'll be throwing new money at the markets. Until then, I'm just going to keep investing the money that I have available in my portfolios, and if a better opportunity arises, that's when I'll throw more money into the market. So just wanted to give you guys an end of the week update. At the end of this week, we are up about 2.3%, $600 profit for the week. Not too bad. Let's look at what the indices performed. So the NASDAQ is pretty much just flat for the week. S&P 500, same, pretty flat. So we did outperform both of these indices quite substantially. So as always, guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Drop a comment. Let me know how you're navigating these markets. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you soon.